CRCL stock analysis and price predictions for 22nd of July, Tuesday. Is it a buy right now? Watch this brief and short 1 minute video till the end, find out. Now, ultimately, Circle Internet Group is just very decent. I mean, when I say decent, I'm looking to double down, buy more if I could. That's how my chart's looking like. And I've been in this long just very recently. After I got this double break, here's when I called it out. And you might not even believe me, but this is why I have the proof to back up my claim. Sitting at 195 at the time, wanted to see breaks above that. And then I got the breaks on 16th of July. The video was made 15th. Break-evens have been straight up, but now you can see pre-market is far even lower than that. So my break-evens might be hit today. Like we're gonna see. It's 6:30 a.m. here, so we got time. And first time I began making videos on this, it was like 76 bucks, I believe, when I made it. Let's check. Was it 70? Yeah, it was 76. So for 76, we came higher to like 300. That's a lot. Stay tuned, and if you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I'll keep you updated.